Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapalit kong star viewers? I miss you guys and I love you all. I hope everybody are doing well. Sa reminder mga kapatid, pakilakasan na lang po ng video ng reading na ito dahil hindi ko po gamit ang aking mahiwagang microphone. Kamusta kayong lahat? And ang reading natin ngayon is about your um, month of June. Alamin natin kung ano ang mga dapat mong malaman topic natin for the month of June. Spirit Guardians, what is all about for the month of June? Okay, buckle up dahil magsimula na. Alamin na natin kung ano magaganap, no? Ano mag-activate, may warnings, good news, it could be. Alright, June, Spirit Guardians, month of June. So we have here, alamin natin. So this is about your intuition for the month of June. Make sure guys, as a reminder mga kapatid, always listen to your intuition. Okay? Mas magiging malakas ang inyong intuition. Intuitive, you will be becoming more intuitive for the month of June. And yung mga kutob ninyo, pakinggan ninyo ha. And text messages, alamin natin kung tungkol saan yung text messages na matatanggap ninyo. Money, there will be something involved money sa inyong month of June. And clarity. You will be receiving clarity. It could be an idea of clarity or an answer, no? Na magkakaroon ka ng clarity sa iyong mga, I don't know, situation, whatever situation you are in. Again, guys, as a reminder, pakilakasan ng volume ng reading na ito dahil like again, hindi ko po gamit ang aking microphone. Wag lang po tayong bitter. Paki-Bluetooth na lang po or connect your gadget sa ibang mga like Bluetooth ninyo, no? Sa I don't know, radio or ibang phone or headphone. Or again, iba-iba po yung gamit ng gadgets ninyo. So, this is general and collective reading. Kunin nyo lang guys kung saan ka nakaka-resonate. Kung hindi naman, yun ay para sa iba. Huwag nyo lang pong lahatin as a reminder. And love lang po tayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star Talking Tarot. So, alamin na natin kung tungkol saan itong clarity. Spirit Guardians, tungkol saan itong clarity na matatanggap or for the month of June sa ating mga collective clarity. Okay, judgment. Alright, judgment. You will be receiving judgment. Okay, clarity. So, again guys, this could be related sa inyong, I was thinking about intuition. So, pay attention sa inyong intuition or intuitive. Kasi mali pala yung pagkabasa ko, invitation pala ito. Hindi intuition or intuitive. But, kukunin pa rin natin ito as sa part ng inyong reading. Pay attention because you will be receiving a download message through intuition, kutob, intuitive, para bang nakakaramdam ka ng something, no? And that will give you an answer, clarity, sagot. Magkakaroon ka ng sagot sa iyong mga katanungan. What have you been asking? Ano ba yung mga tinatanong mo sa sarili mo or sa sitwasyon mo or siguro dinadasal mo ito sa Panginoon. And the universe gave you an answer, especially for the month of June. You will be receiving an answer, a clarity. So, pay attention sa inyong mga intuition and siguro sa mga this could be whatever you're waiting, kung ano yung hinihintay ninyo, you will be receiving an answer from the universe. Ito mga pinipray ninyo, hinihiling mo kay universe, you will be receiving a clarity that you have been seeking for. Siguro lately, part siguro ito sa mga, you know, ang tawag nito, bumabagabag sa inyong sarili lately, or something about na hindi ka masaya or hindi ka satisfied, or whatever na hinihiling mo kay universe o pinipray mo kay universe, you will be receiving the answer for the month of June. A clarity, an answer. Maybe the universe is clearing your mind, from this situation. Tatanggalin ni universe itong mga clouded, overthinking, problems. For the month of June, I'm getting like marami sa inyo ang mabibigyan ng sagot. through from your one of your prayers will be answered for the month of June. Okay, so let's dig in more about judgment. Let's find out about this judgment. Okay, the hangman, whatever you are seeking, waiting, kasi meron dito sa inyo yung feeling mo down na down ka. So the universe will be helping you guys. Tutulungan ka ng universe na makabangon muli. Yeah, whatever you are asking, through prayers, tutulungan ka ng universe na makabangon muli. Okay, so pay attention sa inyong mga intuition, and through siguro mga advice, pay attention guys. And wala namang mawawala kung may tao din na may magbibigay ng advice sa inyo. Maybe the universe is using someone, no, para magkaroon ka ng clarity. Sagot. So pay attention because the universe is using their magic to something na magkaroon ka ng clarity, na mabigyang sagot ang iyong mga hinihiling. And the universe is saving you. For the month of June, makakaramdam ka ng sagana. Feeling mo na, yung, sabihin natin na maybe lately or at this moment whenever you watch this reading, kasi timeless naman ito, you might be feeling na trap, or siguro insecurity. I'm hearing like insecurity, or overthinking, feeling down, those kind of feeling na parang down na down ka, no? Or siguro like again, emotional imbalance. For the month of June, the universe will be lifting you up. Hihilahin ka ng universe paakyat para makabangon ka muli. That's the energy na kukuha ko para sa inyo. And congratulations, you will be receiving enlightenment. You will be feeling light. Gagaan ang iyong pakiramdam for the month of June because of this wisdom. Siguro, hinihiling mo kay universe to receive a clarity and wisdom. An answer. So whatever the universe been sending for you, pay attention sa mga sinyalis na binibigay ng universe. It could be dreams, music, TV, or a person na biglang lalapit sa iyo at siyang makakatulong sa inyo. Dahil yung taong iyan or that thing ay siyang binibigay or pinapadala ng universe para magkaroon ka ng clarity or para magkaroon ng sagot ang iyong mga hinihiling through your prayers. Alright, so yung iba sa inyo dito, you will be receiving an answered prayer from the universe. So congratulations. That's the clarity that you will be receiving for the month of June. So what about invitation? Spirit guidance, what is this invitation na matatanggap sa ating mga collective? Okay. What is this invitation? A party, yes. Okay. It could be, siguro may mag-celebrate sa inyo or may pupunta, a celebration. Kasi, it's funny because invitation, this is like a celebration. So, you will be receiving an invitation. It could be receiving of invitation to a wedding party or reunion or any celebration. May mag-invite sa inyo para dadalo sa isang salo-salo, no? Wedding. Siguro karamihan dito sa inyo is wedding. It could be a wedding party or very specific here, you could be celebrating of I don't know, like parang it could be like anniversary. Siguro you and your partner will be celebrating an anniversary for the month of June. Or yung iba dito sa inyo, you will be feeling okay, I'm getting the energy for the month of June. Yung iba dito sa inyo, you could be going to an invitation of graduation. Baka may mag-graduate or something about na may graduation kang pupuntahan, or this could be you na a-attend ng graduation or specifically na baka ikaw itong a family member na may graduate. Something about graduation. Or this could be you celebrating. Yeah, you will be feeling successful. Yeah, something about success, no? You will be feeling success during the month of June. So the month of June is the time for you to celebrate whatever you are achieving. Kahit konting bagay lang mga kapatid, it's okay to celebrate that, that situation. Kahit na party, kahit birthday party mo naman yan, or kahit birthday, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking party para lang mag-celebrate. You can celebrate on your own way. Whatever situation, or whatever na, ano yung budget mo, hindi kailangan ng malaking party. O siguro, meron dito sa inyo, no? Very specific dito na, you could be, siguro na-stress ka. Baka ikaw itong na-stress lately sa celebration na gaganapin sa buhay mo. Na-stress ka siguro dahil konti lang yung pera or konti lang yung imbitahin mo, or siguro na-stress ka dahil limit lang ang pwede mong imbitahan. Guys, you don't have to worry about that thing. Okay? Yeah. Imbitahin mo kung sino yung gusto mong imbitahin. Don't worry about these other people na magagalit sa'yo, i-unfriend ka na, i-block ka na dahil hindi mo siya in-invite. No. This is your party. This is your situation. This is your budget. Only those people who will understand you na magstay sa iyong relationship. Sabi natin family member, friendship, they will understand your situation. Pwede mo naman explain sa kanila, pasensya na guys ha, ikakasal ako, example ha, ikakasal ako, only family members lang ang imbitahin ko. Kasi magkano lang naman yung budget namin, walang extra. Walang mga, hindi pwede yung mga kapitbahay, ganyan kasi nga budgeted ako ngayon. So, maintindihan naman nila. So, you don't have to worry about those things. Example lang yan. Alright? So, yeah, for the month of June, you will be enjoying more parties, invitation, you will be receiving an invitation of celebration. Graduation, wedding, whatever it is, no? And yung iba dito sa inyo, you will be celebrating of your achievement for the month of June. Kahit maliit na bagay yan, it's still a milestone to celebrate for you. Okay? So, it's an appreciation. Ipakita natin kay universe na na-appreciate mo yung binigay niya sa inyo na achievement. Yeah. Kasi kung wala sa universe, guys, palala ko lang, hindi mo yan ma-achieve kung wala sa universe if you don't believe in God and yourself. So, kahit konting bagay man yan, yeah, it's time to celebrate things para naman na, deserve mo naman din iyan mga kapatid. Ang mag-celebrate yung maliliit na bagay na na-achieve ninyo. Maliit or malaki man yan, you have a freedom to celebrate yourself for that achievement. Alright? So, what about these text messages? Spirit guardians, let us know about these text messages. Text messages. Okay. Yes. You will be surprised. Yeah, masusurprise ka o magugulat ka siguro sa text messages na matatanggap mo. It could be a text messages na ikagagalit mo or text messages na hindi mo akalain na matatanggap mo ito. Okay? So again, kunin nyo lang guys kung saan ka nakakasunit. And then again, bago kayo mag-react, isipin nyo muna. Alright? Mag-isip muna bago kayo mag-react. Kasi baka kung ano pang ma-respond ninyo sa text messages na iyon. Baka pagsisiyan mo lang din sa uli na mali pala yung pagkakaintindi mo sa text messages na iyon. Okay? So, yeah. Relax nyo muna ang inyong isipan bago mag-react. Alright? So, let me know, Spirit Guardians, what is this about Knight of Swords text messages? Bakit ganito ang reaction ng ating mga collective? Okay, may magagalit talaga sa inyo dito. It could be a text message from a family member or, yeah, changes. Okay. Okay. This could be related sa, guys, know that maraming nagmamahal sa inyo. Okay? Whatever na negative text message ang matatanggap ninyo, mahal na mahal ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Kailangan mo lang din talaga, siguro meron dito sa inyo for the month of June, you could be like feeling like aburido, mainitin ang ulo. So, wag tayo magpapadala sa ating emosyon, sa ating, dahil sa weather na masyadong mainit, at tapos pagka matanggap mo itong text message, magagalit ka pa. So, kailangan kalmahin, okay, as a warning sa inyo dito, pakikalmahin na lang din ang inyong emosyon, inyong isipan, bago mag-react. Dahil baka sa huli ay pagsisihan mo ito. Kasi meron itong a family member will send you a message, could be related sa finances. Okay? Yeah. Baka may mawalan ng gamit sa inyo dito. So, pay attention guys. Huwag tayong basta-basta magpapasok ng ah, kapitbahay, a family member, no? Especially kung may mga valued things sa inyong bahay, ano? Sabihin natin ng mga jewelry or pera, kailangan naitabi ninyo iyon or naitago ninyo iyon para hindi mawala or manakaw. Alright? And yeah, kasi I'm getting the vision of magagalit ka dito, somehow magagalit ka dito, sabihin natin ha, as an example, mawalan ka ng gamit. And then you might be receiving a text message, a family member telling you like, hey, si ganito ganyan, yung kapatid mo nagnakaw, ganyan ganyan. Tapos ikaw ay magalit. But then later on, mali pala. Mali pala dahil you took that message, the person's message right away, no? Yung mga haka-haka na wala namang pruweba. Mali pala yung nasabi mo sa kapatid mo na pagbintangan mo, gato ganyan, yun pala, kapitbahay palang nagnakaw. You know what I mean? So, pay attention guys at mag-ingat-ingat. Alright? Bago kayo mag-react. Alright? Or magbintang. Especially kung may party sa bahay ninyo, mga event, kailangan talaga ay nakatago yung mga valued things sa bahay para hindi manakaw. Lalong-lalo na, siyempre, pagka may mga party-party sa bahay, pati kapitbahay, kaibigan, or trusted people, akala mo yung mga trusted, yun pala ay ninanakawan ka lang ng mga gamit, or it doesn't have to be sa bahay, or something like mawalan ka man ng gamit, na open yung area, no? Andun lahat ng mga kapitbahay, pamilya, whoever they are, no, sa party na iyan. So, kailangan talaga ay secured ang mga kagamitan mo. Kahit mga bag mo, kailangan secured iyon. Para iwas mawalan ng gamit or iwas na makapagbintang tayo ng tao na hindi naman, na mali pala. Maling akala, especially kung wala kayong pruweba. So, wag tayo basta-basta mambintang, alright? Especially if somebody's texting you about finances. Alright? Kailangan, guys, bago tayo mag-react, kailangan mag-research muna tayo. Alamin muna natin kung totoo ba bago tayo mag-react. Para iwas na magkaroon ng breakup situation or gulo, no? Or hidwaan, alright? So, what else more? Yeah. Okay. What about money? Spirit Angels, tell me more about money. What's going on for the month of June sa kanilang finances? Alright. Wow. A blessings for the month of June. You will be receiving a huge opportunity from the universe. See? Itong prayer answered na hinihiling mo kay universe, it will be received for the month of June. A huge amount. Any amount, mga kapatid, tanggapin po natin ito. Because this is a help from the universe, kasi hinihiling natin kay universe to help us and guide us financially. So, congratulations, mga kapatid, for the month of June. You will be receiving enlightenment. You know, yung like again, sinabi ko na kanina, earlier, hihilahin ka ni universe pataas. Okay? Kung feeling mo trap ka ngayon, lumagapak ka ngayon, problematic ka ngayon sa finances mo, emotionally imbalance, whatever it is, guys, you will be receiving an answer from the universe, especially if this is related sa inyong finances. You will be feeling secured. Tutulungan ka ni universe when it comes to your finances. A security. Abundant of finances. Kahit maliit, mapamaliit, malaki, malaking bagay na sa atin ito. Alright? Dahil binibiyayaan tayo ni universe ng tulong financially. Dahil kailangan natin ito. I'm hearing like karamihan sa atin dito ay bibigyan ng biyaya ni universe financially. Okay? Tutulungan tayo ng universe na hilahin tayo paakyat, na makapasok tayo dito sa opportunity of abundance financially, na makakaakyat tayo, na makakaramdam tayo ng sagana, no, for the month of June. That will be your feelings. That will be your situation, most of you here. Sagana sa buhay financially. Enlightened. Celebration. So this is the right time for you guys to celebrate, no? The abundance of life for the month of June. Makakaramdam kayo ng sagana for the month of June. Alright? So ano pa? Ano naman ang... So we're done for the month of June. Money, text messages, invitation, clarity. So what about a message from the universe? Okay, you know what? Before the message, what about this? What is this? Let us know more about month of June. Could be warning or good news. Okay, death. Loss of loved one. So, okay. Siguro sa inyo dito, you might be feeling grieving, no? Nagluluksa pa. Try to heal. Meron naman dito, on the bottom is accomplishment. Like again, meron dito sa inyo, for the month of June, you will be receiving accomplishment, achievement. Feeling like a winner. I'm getting like nagwawagi. Siguro meron dito mag-level up sa inyong trabaho, or it could be related sa invitation, no? Baka imbitahin ka sa trabaho na announcement. Baka meron itong, or you might be receiving an announcement through text messages, announcement, or invitation. This is about your achievement. You will be feeling success. It will be changes. There will be changes for the month of June for you. Matutuwa ka dito, magsiselebrate ka dito. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, meron itong achievement and celebration for the month of June. Okay, so it's time for you to feeling let go. Tanggalin na itong mga insecurities, overthinking, no? O siguro grieving, maybe meron dito sa inyo na nawala ng mahal sa buhay. Okay. Guys, continue on praying about your loved ones. It's okay. It's okay lang naman na until now ay nagluluksa ka pa rin. It takes time. Hindi mo kailangan na isang araw lang pagluluksa, kinabukasan wala na happy-happy. No, it's not normal. I know it takes time. The universe, I'm getting like the universe is telling me, we're not rushing you to move on for this loss of loved one. A family member, or whatever you are grieving. You don't have to force yourself to let go. It takes time to heal. That's the message, a channeled message from the universe for you here. Okay. So, what about this message from the universe? What you need to know at this moment? Peace and harmony. You will be feeling peace and harmony. Okay, makakaramdam ka ng sagana and yung tahimik na buhay. Yeah, like again, kung ito ang hinihiling mo kay universe, you will be receiving this katahimikan, no? Let go of the past. Like again, meron din siguro sa inyo, like again, grieving, ano? So, kung nawalan man kayo ng pamilya sa buhay, family member, friend, you know, I know it takes time, but if this about like a someone, no? Or an event na hindi ka pa nakapag-let go hanggang ngayon is you are feeling like I don't know, nasasaktan pa, like feeling down. Guys, you need to let go all of this past situation. I know hanggang ngayon meron din sa inyo na in denial pa. Sinasabi mo na kapag let go ka na, no, deep in your heart, it's still in there. Andyan pa rin sa puso mo yung bigat. Okay? So, the universe is urging you to let go and try to focus yourself of something to celebrate. Finances. Focus ka sa finances mo na lang, sa bahay mo na lang. Kung may mga issues man sa bahay, then doon ka na lang mag-focus para magkaroon ng sagot, no, katahimikan ng iyong pamumuhay. For some reason, nakukuha ko dito na someone is getting married, kaya lang may meron ditong hindi happy. Someone here is not gonna be happy during this celebration. I don't know who is this person, but I don't want to dig in kasi matatagalan tayo dito. But whoever this person is, just keep moving forward. You don't have to Do not let this person to discourage you. Kung ano yung mga plano niyo mga kapatid na mag-celebrate, no? Wedding, party. Kung may tao dito na i-discourage ka, guys, you need to follow your intuition, your instinct. Whatever makes you happy, then go with it. You don't have to listen to someone's discouragement, no? Para hindi matuloy. Kasi may mga tao din talagang bitter. Bitter dahil ayaw niya na mag-enjoy ka, ayaw niya na maging masaya ka, ayaw niya na siguro mas mabuti pa ang buhay mo, especially financially, no? Pagka nakita niya na okay naman pala ang kalagayan mo, and this person is feeling like miserable, no. Kasi may mga tao na dahil pakiramdam nila ay miserable sila, gusto din nila na maging miserable ka rin, no. You just have to continue praying to the universe to give you guidance and protection. And continue on celebrating and enjoying with your loved ones, with your partner, this celebration party. Go with it. All right? Do not let these people to ruin your life because their life is not happy at all. Okay? May mga tao talagang ganun, ano. Enjoy spending time with the family and friends. Again, for the month of June, you will be feeling like celebration, enjoying the moment with the family and friends. Picnic, magpunta kayo sa garden, mag-hiking, or graduation, invitation. Kung may mag-invite sa inyo, go with it, no? Yeah, so again, you don't have to let this worry to ruin your whole month of June, or you don't have to let these people to come into your life para lang ma-discourage ka, no? Follow your instinct. Yeah, continue on praying to enlighten you because the universe is helping you. Okay? Wag mong hayaan na yung feelings, yung emotion mo ay lalamunin ka ng sadness, darkness. Find a way out, mga kapatid. Kasi ito, tinutulungan ka ng universe na for you to come in here in this opportunity. Because the month of June, there will be a door for you for this happiness, no? Happiness, financially, opportunity, celebration, family, or friendship. You will be feeling successful for the month of June, an abundant of life. Despite of everything, itong mga negative people. Or siguro sa emotion mo rin ito. Baka ikaw din ito sa sarili mo. Magiging bitter minsan. Guys, pray. Para matanggal itong bitterness. Itong mag-overreact. Lalo-lalo na sa weather. Masyadong mainit. So, uminom kayo ng maraming tubig. Okay? And kung kailangan mong uminom ng gamot, uminom ka ng mga gamot ninyo. Para iwas na magkaroon ng atake or mag-worse yung pakiramdam ninyo. Pay attention sa inyong health problem din. Alright? Lalo-lalo na sa weather na masyadong mainit. Okay. Or siguro pagod na pagod ka rin, kaya madali ka lang magiging mainitin. Mainitin ang ulo. So, yeah. So, kailangan mag-relax ka rin mga kapatid at magpahinga. Kung kailangan mong pahinga, magpahinga ka. So, final advice na tayo from the universe about yes or no. Spirit Angels, guys, magtanong kayo ng isang tanong and then the answer will be yes or no. Post niyo muna yung video and the answer will be yes or no. Mag-meditate ng konti and ask any question. Alright, Spirit Angels, yes or no sa ating mga collective? Yes or no? So we have here, yes, fulfillment. Like again, month of June is for your success, fulfillment, clarity, celebration. Alright, so wishes coming true, realizing dreams, happiness, cheerfulness, joy, fulfillment, positivity, optimism, satisfaction, success, abundance, prosperity, achievement, reward, confidence. Like again, karamihan sa inyo dito, you'll be feeling the reward from the universe because you deserve this. Answered prayer for the month of June. Congratulations sa inyong lahat because everybody here deserved it. Alright? So hanggang dito na mga kapatid. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in the next reading. Bye and thank you.